Yeah, just doing an evening stroll for something else. And, looking around. Where is he, people? Anybody see him? Here he is. Little bitty guy. Doesn't make him any less deadly. And he is doing the same thing. Wanting to show everybody how mean he is. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Walk away. All right, buddy. I'm gonna leave you alone. I see you flexing. Ooh, look at him. You're a mean little bugger, ain't you? Pretty though. He is only about, he's about a foot long. Not much longer than that. Fat little bugger though. Give you an idea how big my finger is. He's about the thickness of my thumb, I guess. One more time, flex for him. There you go. He doesn't have that distinctive cotton mouth yet, but he'll get there.